Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? We are studying chapter number 7, Food We Eat. So, student, take a rough copy and one pencil and note down the important points. Student, our body is also like a machine. We also need energy to perform different types of a work. So this energy we are getting from the food which we are eating. Do you observe this thing, student? When our energy level drops, we feel hungry, and then what we do? We eat food, because food gives us energy, help us to go and keep us healthy. Now, student, when we are discussing different types of a food can be divided into various groups according to the nutrients it contains. And what are nutrients? Nutrients are substances that provide nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and growth. What does it mean? It means that, student, we are eating different types of a food. Is it clear? We are eating different types of a food. Why? Because to get the all types of a nutrients. And what are nutrients? Nutrients are substances that provide nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and growth. So, when we are talking about the food, that is, it means types of food, then it is divided into three groups: energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. In types of food, it is divided into three groups: energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. So, student, let's start with energy giving food. See, student, what are energy giving food? We do lot of activities and different types of work in our day-to-day life, and for all these we need energy. And from where we are getting the energy? We are getting the energy from the food which we are eating. So, in this group, what are the nutrients in this first group, that is their energy giving food. The nutrients are carbohydrates and fats. The nutrients are carbohydrates and fats. By eating food which is rich in carbohydrate and fat, it gives us energy to perform different type of a work, whether we are playing, running, or any type of a work, or even we are studying. So for all these things we need energy. And see few in the picture, observe the picture. This is a picture of energy giving foods. This is potato, sugar cane, wheat, banana, oil, and this is rice. So student, these are energy giving food. And the nutrients which are present in energy giving food are carbohydrate and fats. So student, when we are talking about carbohydrate and fats, fat give more energy than carbohydrates. But student, consuming too much fat is not good for our health. फैट जो है वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट से भी ज़्यादा एनर्जी देता है, लेकिन हम ऐसे फूड खाने लगे जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फैट है, तो ये हमारे हेल्थ के लिए ठीक नहीं है. व्हाट इज द रीज़न? एक्स्ट्रा फैट इज स्टोर्ड इन द बॉडी बिलो द स्किन. जो एक्स्ट्रा फैट होता है वो बॉडी के अंदर स्टोर होने लगता है. ठीक है, इससे क्या होती है, हमारी बॉडी ओवरवेट हो जाती है. सो इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ. इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ. एंड सी स्टूडेंट, many problems arises due to this. By consuming extra fat in our diet. By consuming extra fat in our diet. Now, bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food help us to grow and to repair the muscles, and its examples are egg, meat, cottage cheese, etc. Okay, so as a name, body building food. So first of all, understand student, which nutrient you are getting by eating body building food. Okay, which nutrient you are getting by eating body building food. So students, the name of the nutrient is protein. Now student, what are bodybuilding foods? Bodybuilding food help us to grow taller, stronger and active. They help to build our bones and muscles. And we should eat protein rich food every day. And what are the sources of this food? Milk, fish, egg, meat, pulses. These are the food which contain proteins. So student, see, our body is made of very small part called it cell. Okay, our body is made of very small parts called it cell. So body, by eating body building food, we are getting the nutrient protein. So it repair the damaged cells of the body and also makes the new cells. Our bones and muscles are also made by eating body building food. And student, you are in growing phase. What does it means? जैसे आप अभी छोटे बच्चे हो, इस समय आपकी हाइट बढ़ रही है, आप टॉलर हो रहे हो, ग्रोथ हो रही है आपके बॉडी की. तो दैट इज द रीजन आपके डाइट में बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड होने ही चाहिए, तभी तो आपके बॉडी की ग्रोथ होगी. ग्रोथ हो रही है, आप टॉल रहो, इट मीन्स योर बोन्स आर आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग इन साइज. So you need bodybuilding food. Your bones, muscles, even skin of the body, your hair, nails, all are built by eating bodybuilding food. So this food is very important for us, because student, our body cannot make protein by itself. We are getting this protein by eating different types of food. We are getting this protein by eating the food. See, egg, white gram, meat, cheese, pulses, peas. These all are rich source of body building food. That means they are rich in which nutrient? Protein. It means they are rich in protein. Now student, so for their growth and development of the different parts of your body, you need body building food. You need body building food. Now protective food. See student, our body needs nutrients to fight against infection. So let's talk about this protective food. Make our immune system strong and save us from different diseases and infection. Is it clear? Now, what are the sources from which we are getting protective food? Sources are fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Now student, in protective food, what are the nutrient? What is the name of the nutrient present in protective food? That is vitamins, and minerals. Okay, these are the minerals which are present in the protective food, and these vitamins and minerals, these are needed by our body in very small quantity. Okay, these minerals are and vitamins are needed by our body in a very small quantity. Now here it is given. Did you know 72% of body is made up of water? All the food we eat contains some quantity of water. Our body also requires 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. This helps in good digestion and absorption of the nutrients of our food. So student, see, water is not a nutrient, but it plays a very important role in our body. And from where we are getting this water, student? We are getting this water by eating different types of food. All the food contains water. And we also drink water. Now let's understand, student, why water is very important. It helps in digestion. It helps in digestion. First point you want to note, you can write it. Absorption of nutrients. This is the second point. First is digestion, then absorption of nutrients, and removing of wastage, liquid waste of the body. Remove of liquid waste of the body. This is a third point, and you can note down the fourth one. It maintains the body temperature also. It maintains the body temperature also. See, student, the food which we eat, so from that food we are getting the different types of nutrients, and these nutrients are absorbed in the water, and it circulates to all parts of the body, because our body is made of very small part, that is cells. So every part need energy to perform their function. So it absorbs nutrients also, it circulates it to all parts of the body also, and it removes the wastage, liquid wastage from our body. How? See, you know what is the function of our kidney? It filter the blood. It filter the blood. So when the wastes are filtered from the blood, they are collected in the form of a urine. They are collected in the form of a urine. So in this manner it removes liquid wastes from the body. Even it maintains your body temperature. See, student, when you are in very hot climate, then what's happened? Your body sweat. What does it mean? It means that जब बहुत गर्मी होती है, जैसे आजकल समर सीजन चल रहा है, बहुत गर्मी है बाहर, तो हम देखते हैं जब गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना होता है, बहुत पसीना निकलता है ना हमारी स्किन से, इसी को स्वेट बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो इन दिस मैनर when the climate is very hot, sweat comes from the body. In this manner also, water and salt out from our body. So that is the reason, student, water is very essential. Even it is not a nutrient, but It help in for the smooth functioning of the body. Then raw and cooked food. Raw means the food which we are eating without cooking. For example, there are many vegetables like carrot, radish, cucumber. We eat this as a salad. ठीक है. Raw means उसे कुक नहीं करते हैं, बिना कुक किए. हाँ, आप बढ़िया से वॉश कर लो. आफ्टर वॉशिंग यू कैन ईट. ठीक है. तो ऐसे फूड को हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जिसे हम बिना कुक किए भी खा सकते हैं, वो क्या होता है, रॉ फूड होता है. ठीक है. और कुकिंग, व्हाई वी कुक द फूड स्टूडेंट, सी in chapter number 3 I explained you there are some edible seeds which we eat. yes, आप बहुत सी पल्सेस खाते हो, राइस खाते हो, वीट है, so extra, so these are very hard seeds, we can't eat it without cooking. And what is the benefit of that? Cooking makes food tasty. Cooking makes food tasty and easy to chew. आसानी से आप चबा के उसे खा सकते हो. And easily that type of food is easily digest by our body. And another benefit of cooking the food is that when we cook the food, it kills germs in the food. अगर फूड में कोई कीटाणु है, जर्म्स हैं, तो अगर हम उसे हीट करते हैं, क्योंकि कुकिंग में हीट करके हम खाना बनाते हैं, तो जो जर्म्स होते हैं वो किल हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ हेल्दी ईटिंग, healthy eating habits. Wash your hand before and after having your meals. So student, it's a very good habit. We are playing in the surroundings and there is lot of dust and germs, and these are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes. हम अपनी आँखों से इन्हें नहीं देख सकते. So whenever you are taking your meal, before the meal and after the meal, meal means khana, before and after the meal, please wash your hands. Do not eat food from outside as it may be exposed to flies which may cause diseases. ठीक है. मार्केट में आप जाते हो, बहुत सी दुकानों में ईटेबल आइटम्स होती हैं जो हम खाते हैं. ठीक है. तो जो चीज़ें ओपन में, अगर कोई फूड ओपन में है, ठीक है, तो ऐसे फूड्स को इग्नोर करो खाने से, क्योंकि व्हाट्स हैपन, इसमें जर्म्स हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. अगर हम ऐसा फूड खाएंगे तो हम बीमार हो जाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर? वॉश फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल्स बिफोर यूजिंग देम. और वी शुड, कभी कभी होता है ना, बच्चे घर में, पेरेंट्स फ्रूट लेके आए, जल्दी में रहते हैं बच्चे, दे बिकम वेरी हैप्पी, दे टेक द फ्रूट एंड स्टार्ट ईटिंग. नो, दिस इज अ बैड ईटिंग हैबिट. Okay, first of all wash the fruits and then eat. आपने किचन में देखा होगा, आपकी मम्मी जब भी वेजिटेबल्स बनाती हैं तो आप देखे होंगे कि मम्मी उसे वॉश करती है. इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि सराउंडिंग्स में बहुत डस्ट पार्टिकल्स भी है, जर्म्स भी हैं, तो खाने की चीज़ों को before eating we should wash them. Okay. Now here see, growing children like you need healthy food and not junk food. So these days it has been observed that students love to eat junk foods. See, student, I know junk food are good in taste, but the most important thing which I want to tell you that these foods are not for your good for your health, because these food do not have nutrient value. Okay, that is the reason you must ignore junk food. And if we eat this type of food, if we start taking this type of food in our daily diet, then the children are suffering from this obesity. Obesity means the weight of the body is increased. Okay, and this happens why? Because they are eating junk foods, and these foods are not good for health. And so student, eat healthy food and exercise daily. Now when you are watching the video, then student, note down the important things in your rough copy. Read one paragraph and frame questions in the form of a fill in the blanks, so that when you recapitulate them, then in a simple way you understand the chapter. Okay, thank you student.